Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. At some point, every asset in your portfolio will face the same question: repower, repair, or keep running. Getting that call wrong in either direction is an expensive mistake. Repair too early and you spend capital you didn't need to spend. Wait too long and you leave performance, warranty value, and long-term returns on the table. Most repower and repair decisions are made with incomplete inputs: a P50 model from commissioning, a few years of performance trends, and someone's intuition about module degradation rates. That is not enough precision for a multi-million euro capital decision. The problem is not that teams have no data. The problem is that they usually have the wrong kind of data, or not enough of the real operating history to make the crossover point clear. When the decision is expensive, vague inputs become expensive too. That's where ClearSpot agents change the workflow. They maintain a living record of each asset's actual degradation rate, failure history, O&M cost trajectory, and remaining warranty exposure. When you ask repower or repair, the agent runs both scenarios against your real data and shows you the financial crossover point. Not a model assumption, your actual asset history. That means the answer is grounded in what the asset has really done over time, not in a guess about how it should have behaved. Lifecycle decisions are often really crossover decisions. At one point, repair is the better option. At another point, repower becomes the stronger financial choice. The hard part is knowing when that shift happens. If you get there too early, you spend unnecessary capital. If you get there too late, you keep pouring O&M into an asset that should have been replaced sooner. ClearSpot helps surface that point so you are not making a billion-parameter decision with a 5-line spreadsheet. Across a fleet, getting even one major repower decision right because you had data that showed the crossover 18 months earlier pays for a substantial investment in analytics. If a system helps you avoid one bad repower, one delayed repower, or one asset that keeps draining O&M cost long after it should have been retired, the economics can shift quickly. Agents make that decision available systematically, not just when someone builds a bespoke model. That matters because portfolio decisions should not depend on whether a single analyst has time to assemble a special case study. Today, many lifecycle calls get delayed because the analysis is manual. Someone pulls performance reports. Someone else checks warranty status. Another person estimates degradation. Then the team debates whether the assumptions are conservative enough. By the time everyone agrees, the asset may have already crossed the point where the original decision would have been best. That delay is expensive. Not because the math is impossible, but because the workflow is too fragile to repeat across the portfolio. Here's the workflow in plain language. First, ClearSpot maintains the asset history, degradation, failures, O&M cost, and warranty exposure. Second, it evaluates repower and repair scenarios against that living record. Third, it identifies the financial crossover point and ranks the likely best action. Fourth, it presents the result in a format your team can use for planning, budgeting, or capital approval. The point is not to replace strategy. It is to give your team the data they need to make those strategic calls with confidence. You can see which assets are drifting toward repower territory. You can see which ones still have room to run. You can prioritize budgets based on evidence instead of broad averages. Like share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.